Hey everyone! Today I will be showing you how to create a word search game, crossword puzzle, and maze game in Canva without doing it manually. So let's get started. First, go to your Canva design. For this example, I'm using an A4 size design. Then go to Apps and search for Activities Maker. Here's the activity games I will be teaching you how to create in this video. Let's start with the word search. You can either choose to enter the words manually or upload your own file. You can also use these word list presets to give you something to start with. For this example, let's choose foods. You also have the option to create multiple puzzles. Next, go to the word search settings. From here, you can further customize the layout of your word search game. Once you're satisfied, click the Generate button. And there you go. You will have a sheet ready for answers along with an answer key at the same time. From here, you can just design it based on your liking. Now, let's move to the crossword puzzle. Similar to the word search, it also gives you the option to enter words manually or upload your own file. It also offers word list presets so you don't have to start from scratch. For this example, let's choose countries. You can also generate multiple puzzles if you want. If you're satisfied, click the Generate button. And there you go. You will have the sheet ready for answers as well as the answer key. Then feel free to design it however you like. Finally, one of my favorite things to do is the maze game. Here you can choose to generate multiple puzzles, then leave it as is. Go to the maze settings and adjust everything you like to improve your maze game. Once you're satisfied, click the Generate button. And there you have it. Just like the last two, you will also have a sheet for answers and an answer key. Just make sure to design it to look more eye-catching, especially if you'll be using it as an activity for kids. And there you have it. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. And comment down below if you have any questions or if you'd like me to feature something in my next video. I will be posting one full video tutorial per week, so be sure to check my channel weekly. See you in my next video. Bye!